What if you could simultaneously measure multiple parameters without manually grabbing samples to know what's going on inside your bioreactor in real time? Now you can! With ProCellics Raman Analyzer with Bio4C PAT Raman Software, specifically designed for the bioprocessing industry, you can perform inline and real-time measurements of CPPs and CQAs. Featuring a GMP-ready and compact footprint analyzer from process development to manufacturing, and a proprietary easy-to-use software to improve processes through better process understanding and optimization, increased control and reproducibility, enabled digitalization and automation, save time and provide flexibility to operators, help reduce the risk of contamination and batch failure. Not a chemometric expert? No worries. Our bioprocessing experienced engineers and chemometric experts are here to support you. Curious? Visit emdmillipore.com/Raman PAT platform today and contact one of our Raman experts, part of the BioContinuum platform.